Hey everybody, this is Freddy with LeviathanScuba.com. Who the heck is Leviathan Scuba anyway? Well, consider this our mission statement. We're passionate divers and we care about the ocean. We're spiritual people of faith, but we don't use that to promote business. We want everyone in the world to love scuba diving as we do. We want to make a living doing what we love to do. We're not wealthy snobs in a high-rise office running an internet company. We're plain old folks in the dive industry that care about our seas. We're not the biggest dive company on the internet, but we're growing. We do put our money where our mouth is, and we do make a difference. 10% of our proceeds are donated. Whether it's a food bank or a conservation organization, we give money to support those organizations we believe in that make a difference. We do participate in conservation. We do participate in shark research. We do participate in coral restoration. We do remove garbage from the sea. We do help people make better choices. We do our best to promote and produce quality dive products. We're not the smartest people in the world, but we do understand the dive world, and we do understand scuba and snorkel gear. We're pretty honest people, and we tell it like it is. No BS. We love scuba diving. We love helping people discover the underwater world. We love earning your trust. We love meeting our fans on dive trips, and we love our job. There's some things we hate. We hate scammers because they hurt people. We hate products that are made inferior just to separate you from your money. We hate telemarketers. We hate junk dive equipment. We believe internet trolls are insecure, negative, and mean, and they don't help everybody with their negative comments. We believe we're your friend in the dive industry. We believe we can make a difference in the conservation and making the products on the dive world better. We believe we can help you enjoy the experience so much more. Give us a try, and you won't go back to normal. LeviathanScuba.com